This is a test. I'm gonna wait. This looks really grainy. Whatever. Maybe it'll be different on my computer. It's not normally like this. I'm just gonna go from inside to out in the snow, and I'm gonna see if the white balance is screwed up or anything. I think everything's on auto. So here we go. I'm gonna look out in the snow yet. Put on my fallens, on my slippers. Love these shoes. And we're gonna see how long it takes to adjust to the light or whatever. And I'll zoom in and see if I can see snowflakes. Because it's snowing. Right. Blah! Oh, that's pretty good. Dang. I love this camcorder. It's cheap, but the videos are pretty decent. Snow skate, love it. Alright.